particular case, hours used, cost in dollars, what would be the y-intercept? Notice I'm not asking you to graph it, okay? I'm not asking you to graph it. I'm saying if you were to graph it, what would be the y-intercept? 0 what?
38.
0.38?
0.30.
Why 0.30? Very nice. How come?
Because 0.
Because when x is 0, what is y? 30. You just read it. It's just a matter of, can you find the y-intercept on the table? Yeah, the y-intercept happens when x equals 0. So the y-intercept is 0, 30. What is the slope of the graph? Now for the slope, we need to look at a change. You know, look at the change. You know, look at how much the x values are changing and the y values right here. Let's find delta y, and we can figure out delta x right here. 2 minus 0 is 2. 42 minus 30, 12. So the slope, right, delta y over delta x equals 12 over 2, which is 6. Now you could say 6 over 1 if you like it, 6. Now what if you could use different points? Would you get the same? Now suppose I use this point here and this point here, just for argument's sake. What would be my delta x here? What's the difference in this x value? 10 minus 4? 6. Now let me look at the y values that correspond to these numbers here. What is 90? What is 90 minus 54? Alright, so let me figure out my slope. The slope would be delta y over delta x. What would that give me? 36 over 6. What does that equal? 6. Same. Just a matter of which points you select. If I give you a question like this where I'm asking for slope, I promise I'll give you a linear function. The slope of the graph is this. What are the units associated with slope? This is important. Look at delta y over delta x. When I do this here, when I say here the difference is 12, 12 what? What are the units in? $12. So this is dollars per
hours.
Per hour. Very nice. Those are the units of slope. So when you say, right, whatever it is that this thing is representing, that the units of slope are dollars per hour. So $6 per hour. So dollars per hour. Those are the units of slope.
So that's all we have to write? We don't have to write the 6 or anything like that?
Nope. No, the units associated. If you write $6 per hour, that would be perfectly okay. All I wanted the units, that's what I was asking for here. Now give me the equation of the line. We know the y-intercept, and we know the slope. So help me out. Y equals? 6x plus 30. Mx plus b. There you go. 6x plus 30.